The burn rate of Shiba Inus has increased by 11.99% in a single day, burning close to 1 billion Shib this week alone. Shib is indicating a significant change as Bitcoin shatters to a new all-time high and the cryptocurrency sector picks up significant steam. The conditions for a possible breakout are being created by the enormous exchange outflows and the silent accumulation of whales. Therefore, you cannot afford to miss this video if you are interested in Shiba Inu or if you own any SHIB tokens. What is the most recent information about Shiba Inu coin? And how will this impact their value? I'll be addressing these questions and providing you with all of the recently released price-boosting Shiba Inu facts in today's video. I've done a lot of research for this video, so be sure to watch it through to the finish so you don't miss anything. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. However, before we go on to our subject, let's examine the graph and see how the cost of Shiba is moving on May 23rd. Today, a Shiba Inu costs around 1520 units. With $384 million in trading activity during the last 24 hours, SHIB's price has increased by 1%. The token is now the 19th highest valued cryptocurrency with a market capitalization of about $8.9 billion. Please note that by the time you see this video, some rates may have changed. Financial advice is not included in this video. Let's move on to the video for today. The skyrocket 11,899 is burned by Shib. The cryptocurrency industry is gaining a lot of momentum. According to the Shiba Inu tracker, the Shib burn measure has increased by 5 figures in the last day, causing many tens of millions of meme currencies to be removed from circulation. After the cryptocurrency market acquired positive momentum due to Bitcoin hitting a new all-time high, there was a dramatic Shib burn rush. Burn rate increases by 11,899%. According to a recent update from the previously stated data source, the Shib burn rate increased by an astounding 11,899% in the last 24 hours. This increase was caused by a significant number of meme coins burnt, totaling 28.7 million Shib. So far today, 3 burn transactions have occurred. Anonymous whales started the transactions. Last week, 1 billion Shib was incinerated. Shibarium updates during the last week indicate that the Shib team has successfully disposed of a significant quantity of meme tokens, according to a weekly burn report released by the Shiba Inu affiliated X account. A total of 1,095,269,361 Shib have been trapped in dead-end wallets and forced off of the cryptocurrency market. The Shiba Inu website's Shib burn portal was used to carry out these burns. Another burn will occur as soon as a minimum quantity of Shib is obtained from Shibarium transaction fees. To now, 115.52 bones and 2.5 million Shib have been gathered for eventual burning. The market picks up steam as Bitcoin hits a fresh all-time high. Bitcoin, the biggest digital asset by market value, had a price spike on May 22nd when it at last hit the much-awaited new all-time high. Bitcoin surged above $111,900 this time. On January 20th, Bitcoin reached $109,350 per coin, smashing the previous record high. Massive inflows into spot Bitcoin ETFs caused the latest price spike. On Tuesday, $329 million was received. The U.S. Senate's ultimate passage of the stablecoin bill, which eliminated a significant procedural obstacle for U.S. cryptocurrency companies and significantly boosted the market's optimism, was another catalyst. We would much appreciate it if you could hit the like button if you are still viewing. It is completely free and contributes significantly to the channel's support. To learn about the most recent Shiba Inu news and what the future may bring for the Shiba Inu coin, however, stay watching. When burn rates and currency outflows increase, Shib implies buildup. After suffering a protracted market decline, Shiba Inu seems to be beginning a phase of steady accumulation. At the moment, the token is trading inside a small consolidation range, which is a pattern that often indicates positioning before a big price movement. CryptoQuant's on-chain data has verified a significant increase in Shiba transactions, which went from $6,200 to $7,510. We're using a sequence command with everything that's going on around the token. Its price has remained largely unchanged, which is often an indication that more individuals are purchasing it than are selling it. A notable net exchange outflow of -111.8 billion Shiba Inu coins occurred on May 20th, suggesting that big investors are not getting ready to sell their cryptocurrency but are instead transferring it into personal wallets with faith in its long-term worth. The rise in Shib's token burn rate is another indication of this sentiment. The burn rate increased by 5 million coins from 84.6% to 85.81% in the last day. Its generally optimistic attitude is reinforced by the growing pace at which coins are unlocked, which favors restricting the token supply. While Shib maintains important levels, indicators show diminishing negative pressure. There are currently indications from technical indicators that the negative momentum may be waning. At the moment, the relative strength index is situated at 51.51, just over the neutral midway. If the RSI rises over 60, this level suggests a balance between purchasing and selling with a possible bias toward bullish momentum. The major plot of today's video is about to begin. Shiba Inu, 5.76 trillion in a day. What took place? On May 20th, there were 5.76 trillion SHIB worth of deals on Shiba Inu. A shocking rise. Although the headline may excite retail traders, the underlying on-chain data and pricing structure suggest a more nuanced and perhaps pessimistic reality. It seems that internal repositioning or distribution, rather than organic accumulation, is more responsible for the dramatic growth in transaction volume, which reached 5.76 trillion SHIB. 4 bearish signs are shown by on-chain measurements into the blocks. Falling whale concentration, flatnet network expansion, and declining addresses in the money. A modest drop in community participation and Telegram activity indicates that retail interest is also diminishing. Furthermore, if the price even marginally rises, sell-side pressure is increased since 54% of SHIB investors are still underwater. Large holder wallets control 74% of the coin supply, therefore any volume rise brought on by them has the same chance of becoming a dump as a pump. Put another way, until Shib decisively breaks and maintains above the 200 EMA, this recent volume increase could be more about smart money cashing out than rally preparation. The golden sparkle of a Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is showing early signs of a potential golden cross formation as the 50-day exponential moving average gradually gets closer to the longer-term 200 EMA. This crossing is far from certain, even though technical analysis usually interprets it as a positive indication. Shib's price has been very stable in recent sessions, hovering just around significant support levels around the 100 EMA. After its last failed breakout effort above the 200 EMA, the token is once again building a foundation in expectation of a catalyst that would propel it higher. The 50 EMA's present closeness to the price movement may indicate an approaching momentum change, but this has to be verified. However, one of the most glaring warning indicators is the clear decline in trade activity. Please note that by the time you see this video, some rates may have changed. Financial advice is not included in this video. Because they trust in the Shiba Inu creators and the practical usefulness of Shib, many of our subscribers indicate that they will hang on to millions of Shib and not sell them for the next 5 years. What number do you people have? Remember to provide a list of your Shib assets in the space provided for comments below. We should commend the Shib holder for having faith in the process. If you find the video entertaining, please subscribe to the channel. Give it a big thumbs up and share your thoughts on the Shiba Inu token in the comments section. Additionally, be sure to enable post alerts so that you are informed each time we upload a new video.